Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'ab radiyallahu anhu states, while I was in the mosque, a man entered and started performing the prayer and made a recitation in the prayer which was unfamiliar to me. Then another man came and started reciting the Quran in some other mode.
Imam
When
Muslim
we had
states
completed
that
the
this
prayer,
narration
we
has
all
been
entered
reported
the
with another
presence of
authority.
Allah's Apostle
Sahih
sallallahu
Muslim
alaihi
Hadees number
wasallam. I
1002.
submitted. This man recited the Quran in a way that was unfamiliar to me. And another man entered and he recited in still another mode. After hearing it, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded both of them to recite. They recited and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam approved both recitations. It stirred such unbelief in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in my heart as was not even in the pre-Islamic period of ignorance. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam noticed this state of mine, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck me in chest. I whereupon broke out in a sweat, and the fear of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu captured me to such an extent as I felt as if I were citing Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to me, O Ubay, formerly I was commanded to recite the Quran in one dialect. I submitted to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, grant my ummah convenience. I was then commanded to recite in two dialects. I again submitted, grant my ummah convenience. I was then commanded to recite in two dialects. I again submitted, grant my ummah convenience. The third time I was commanded to recite in 7 dialects. And at the same time it was said to me, you can make an invocation as many times as you invoked convenience for your ummah. I submitted, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pardon my ummah. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pardon my ummah. And the third invocation I have preserved for the day when all creatures, including Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam as well, will be looking at me for intercession. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1901.